Hello everyone, this is the most repeated question in the TCS. I will explain you in the simple way with every iteration. Okay, see, just don't simply by heart this code. Okay, just try to understand the working flow of it. Here we are using two pointers I and j. I goes from left to right and checks every element, and j points to the position where the next number, where the next non-zero number should be placed. See, we will see with the every iteration here. This is the initial list or array 1 0 2 0 3 4, and here these are the index 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here initially we take 0 equal to z equal to 0. Here this is the first iteration. This is the first iteration. A of 0 equal to what? A of 0 1, right? So here a of 1, once check the condition here, a of 1 is not equal to 0. It is true or false? A of 1, sorry, a of 0. A of 0 means 1, right? 1 is not equal to 0. It means true, right? So here there is no change and we are updating j equal to 1. J equal to 1. Here we got updated. And iteration 2. Once check the current element. A of 1 equal to 0. 0 is not equal to 0. False, right? So just j remains 1. What? J remains 1. And here this is the current element. Iteration 2. Iteration 3. I equal to 2. Here I equal to 2. 2 is not equal to 0. True, right? So again swap. And here again we are updating j equal to 2, and it got updated. The list got updated. And iteration 4, I equal to 3. What is the current element here? A of 3. A of 3 means 1 0 1 2 3 0, right? 0 is not equal to 0. It is false, right? So no swap. And j remains 2. And here iteration 5, I equal to 4. 0 1 2 3 4. It means 3. 3 is not equal to 0. True, right? Again we swap. Here it got swapped. And iteration 6, I equal to 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5 4. 4 is not equal to 0. True, right? Again we are going to swap here and updated, and here j got updated, j equal to 4. And here this is the final output. What we got? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 0 0. And here this is the final output. I hope you understand. Follow and subscribe. Thank you.